Alfia Yasmin,
Present, ma'am.
Onibo Maji.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, Ankita Roy. Ankita Roy is not present. Prince Bagui. Shlok Vishwanath Das. Shlok Vishwanath Das. Just tell me if you are having any. Okay, okay. Okay, just tell me if you're if you can have if you can hear the background noise or anything. Just tell me. I'll manage that. Okay. Can you hear my voice clearly?
No, ma'am.
Morning,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am. There is no noises.
Okay. Okay. Good morning. Okay.
Ma'am, I am Slok. I am present too.
Yes, yes. I marked you present. No problem. Sheikh Karish. Sheikh Karish.
Present, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Sheikh Riyaz Ahmed.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Neha Parveen.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Shaurik Sadhu Khan.
Present, ma'am.
Shubham Maiti. Shubham Maiti. Present? No. Sumaya Siddika. Sumaya.
Present, ma'am.
Yes. Swastik Adhikari.
Present, ma'am.
Tanvir Mullik. No, Tanvir Mullik. Trishan Dolui. Trishan. No. Okay. Khushi Roy.
Present.
Khushi Roy present. Okay. Sheikh Riyan.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Javed. Javed. No. Kulsum Khatun. Kulsum Khatun. Okay. Can Javed tell me that what is the name you're having in school app? Can you tell me that? Do you know? Oh, Javed is not present yet, but I can see Javed here. That's why I was asking. Okay, Sheikh Arman is also present here, but he is marked absent. Why he is not opening his camera and not responding?
Ma'am, present, ma'am.
Present who? Tell me your name.
Sheikh Arman.
Sheikh Arman?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, you are present. Okay, I'm calling out the names who are absent again, so that if they join late, they can answer. Okay, Ankita Roy. Prince Bagui. So Ankita Roy, Prince Bagui, both are absent. Sheikh Sohail. Sheikh Sohail is also absent. Shubham Maiti. Shubham Maiti is absent. Tanvir Mullik is absent.
Good morning, teacher.
Srishan Dolu. Who is this?
Good morning,
I'm
ma'am.
David.
Okay. I'm just taking the attendance. If you have not yet done it, just tell me your name. Okay. Trishan Dolui, absent. Javed, present.
Present, sir.
Present,
Present, teacher.
is present.
Present. Okay.
Present, ma'am.
Trishan present.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Kulsum Khatun.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. So there is 19 students. Okay, I am at loss because there is 19 students present and I can only find 18. Ankita Roy, Kaji Nazirul Rahman.
Present, ma'am. I am Ankita.
Ankita present. Okay, now. Okay, now it's correct. Okay, so everyone switch on your camera. Okay. Yes, switch on your camera, and now we are doing chapter 2, that is different modes of nutrition and nutrition in animals, different modes of nutrition, different modes of procuring food of animals. Then we went into human digestive system. We learned the different parts of human digestive system. There is the alimentary canal or the digestive tract, that is the whole part from your mouth to your anus. And
Ma'am, can I go to washroom?
yes, you can go to washroom, come back fast. And keep your camera on, because I can see if you are coming or not.
Ma'am, very much noise is coming.
From my end or from other students' end?
I'm from other student, ma'am.
Okay.
Tell him or
Okay.
her
Yes,
to
ma'am.
Okay, everyone mute. Only unmute when you want to ask anything or you want to give answer. But everyone keep your videos on. Okay, keep yourself on mute and keep your videos on. Everyone do that. Alfia, Sekarman, Shlok, Kulsum, Ankita, Swastik, Sumaya, Javed.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Always keep your video on,
Ma'am.
because you're in class, and wear uniform. How many times I should have told you?
Ma'am, I have not uniform.
I know some of you haven't got your uniform, but contact your school and just go there and collect it. Okay, as soon as possible. I'm telling you guys every day. And you are in class 7, so
Ma'am, I am telling also. And ma'am, I just give measurement also, but I don't
when did
collect.
they? Okay, when did they tell you to that they will be able to give you the uniform? Did they give you approximate time? You tell them that you need in 5 days or 7 days. You tell them that uniform is, I mean, it's made in something. That should be made in 7 days. So I was taking your class for 1 week, and you should have got it now. Okay, so everyone do that. Next week, by the end of the next week, I want to see everyone in their uniform. Okay. By the end of the next week, I want to see everyone in their uniform. I don't want to hear any excuses. Just contact your school, contact whoever you want to, just get your uniform and wear that in the class. And
Uniform or in school?
cannot hear you. Tell me.
I mean, city uniform or school?
No, not school. You don't have to go to school for this season. You go to school and just collect your uniform. That's what I'm telling. You collect,
Ma'am, we not go. Ma'am, we not have to go to school and give the homework.
No. Okay, I forgot to tell you that the new rule is you don't have to go to school tomorrow to give the homework. You just upload the
Yes, ma'am. We
homework.
got message.
Okay. The very fine then. So
We
you
are, ma'am, where you upload it in new school app?
in the assignment section where I gave you the homework, you go there and
there
there
I
will.
have to send you.
Yes, tell me again.
Ma'am, there I have to send you assignment section on the homework.
Yes, in the assignment section there will be my, I think there is my assignment, the homework captioned as homework on with the date. I gave you that, and in there you go and you add answer. Okay.
Ma'am, in there we can submit the chapter questions.
Karo.
Tell me. Tell me
Ma'am,
again.
in there we can send the chapter number 1 question answers, na?
Yes. The homework I gave you.
Ma'am,
you
yes,
just-
ma'am.
Yes, on tomorrow. I mean before the end of the day. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. You give the chapter number 1 all homework too.
Yes. It is in the it is uploaded. It's already uploaded in the assignment section. If you submit it, I will get the message and I can check it and I will give feedback or anything on Monday. Okay. I just need the weekend for that.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so after finishing the chapters and everything, I will prepare the study material and give it to you. So if you have completed the first exercise, then I will give the whole thing answered on Monday morning. Okay, and I will also check your homework
Okay, ma'am.
from the exercise. So any more confusion?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so we are now doing the digestive system, which is digestive tract is your from mouth to the end of the canal, that is in your rectum, and then there is digestion. There is how the digestion happens. Digestion in the mouth, you know that mouth produces saliva, and it is mixed with your food that is chewed by your teeth, and it becomes semi-solid, and it yes, tell me.
Now join.
Noise.
Ma'am, I am now joining.
Oh, you now joined. Okay, Prince Bagui. Okay, let me give you present. You have to come on time. That is like 15 minutes after that. Okay, Prince, you have to come on time. And this is 12 o'clock, just 20 minutes before it, 15 minutes after. So there is the mouth, which I told you, which
Ma'am, I
produces
can't understand. Very much noise is coming.
very much noise is coming from my end.
No, ma'am. Other
Okay.
mics.
Okay, so whoever has switched on your, okay, Swastik, I think you have your microphone on. Maybe that's what causing the problem. Swastik Adhikari.
Ma'am,
if you are-
no, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, hello.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, over here, no type of puja, no sound here. I am totally quiet in the environment.
Okay, then I don't think, then that is network issue. Whoever is having any background noise, then that is the network issue. Okay, that is not anybody's
Yeah, ma'am.
fault. Okay, so everyone switch on your camera. How many times I should have told you? So Swastik, switch on your camera. Okay, keep that
Ma'am, my
switch on.
camera is on. See? Ma'am, my camera is on.
Yes,
Hello.
okay.
Ma'am, my camera is on.
Alfia, Arman, Ankita, I cannot hear you sometimes. So that I don't know if you are there or not. So I thought you just switched off your camera.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, last period I don't do the class.
Oh, last week you did not do the class. Okay, did you get the homework?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The last week's homework was the questions, I think, in the exercise. It is uploaded in the assignment section. You have to check it. Okay.
Wait, ma'am.
Yes, E and F, I think. E and F and the brain bites, I think. So you just check it. You do it, and the time is up to tomorrow 4 o'clock or something like that. So you just do that between that. Okay, and I will upload. If you have any problem with any question, I will upload the study material on Monday morning. So you will correct it then, or you will get the answer then. So you just complete that. Then the chapter 1 will be completed. There should be no issue about chapter 1. Then as we completed chapter 1, or as we
Ma'am, we have to send the short question also. Short questions.
short question.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, answer in detail. Question E and F. Is not it?
Not ma'am that. Ma'am, question number A, B, C. That
We
two points fill in
did
the
that
blanks.
in
That's short
class.
questions.
We did that in the class, right? Did we do that
Yes,
in the
ma'am,
class?
we
ma'am.
did.
Yeah, so you don't need to
We
send
did.
it. You don't need to send it, because that was classwork. So I will upload it in case if anyone is having any problem about that.
Ma'am, that
Maybe.
time I was not in the class. That's why I'm telling.
Oh, acha. Okay. Okay, then you can send it along with the homework. I will check it. or you can do that by yourself. I mean, that is your choice. If you want to send it, you just send it, I will check it. And if you don't want to send it, you just do it, and later when I upload the study mirror, you will just correct it yourself. You can do that also. Okay, so it's up
Okay,
to
ma'am.
you. That
Okay,
is
ma'am.
no.
Thank you.
Okay, so technically chapter 1 is completed. If anyone is having any confusion or did not understand anything, any part of it, just let me know now, because I am moving in with chapter 2 and I have halfway there. So you have to tell me, because after 3 or 4 chapters, I am not going to repeat chapter 1 again. Okay, so you have to.
Ma'am, I have one problem in chapter number 1.
Yes, tell
Ma'am,
me.
C exercise E3, ma'am.
E3. Yes.
Ma'am, there is written what is the significance of photosynthesis. Ma'am, how many points you have to write?
You write every point is there. There is 3 points. You write that. Okay. That is clearly
Ma'am,
written
3
in your
points
book.
you have to write.
Yes. Tell me.
Ma'am, 3
Ma'am, there
points you
is
have to
3
write.
points only.
Yes, you write the 3 points. Okay. And
Okay, ma'am.
when in case of the exam, when in exam, when you get that kind of question and you don't know what how many points you have to write, you just see how many marks are assigned to that question. Say if it have 4 marks, try to write at least 4 points. Okay, it's better.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so and most importantly, you have to write like important points. That's something you cannot like, and any unimportant points just to increase the point. So if you suppose if some question have 4 marks and it have 3 important points, that will be all right. But just because you are you cannot remember any point, any important point, just you are making it up for the sake of the question. Don't do that. Okay, so you can write 3 points. Okay, did not you understand anything I just said?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, okay, so any other confusion about chapter number 1? No confusion? Okay. Okay then.
Ma'am.
Okay, so we are in chapter number 2 and we are have discussing digestion. So there is the digestion in our mouth that breaks the food, and during chewing we mix the saliva with it, and it pushes it down into our food pipe. And for chewing we use teeth. You have to remember there are 4 sets of teeth, 4 incisors, 2 canines, 4 premolars and 6 molars. The location of the teeth are here in the picture on your right hand side of in page number 18. And there is permanent teeth and milk teeth. Milk teeth on just falls out when we are about 8 or 10 years old, and then that is 20 milk teeth that was there, and then the permanent teeth, that is 32 teeth in 16 in each jaw, that grows and that lives with us till we die. So how to take care of teeth, that is here, because that is very important part of our digestive system, and that is very important part of in our life, because if you don't have teeth, you can't chew, and the food you want to take, you cannot do that. So you have to take care, and there is some points you have to know, that you have to brush your teeth twice daily for 2 minutes each time. You have to use a dry brittle brush for first 2 minutes of cleaning. You have to floss, that is a string that you have to put into your teeth, so that small food particles that are left even after brushing, that comes out. Because if you have any food particle in your teeth, it will ultimately get decayed, and it will cause you bad breath, and it will cause you pain because it is stuck in your teeth. And you have to limit acidic drinks like soft drinks and fruit juice. It will also damage your teeth. Don't use teeth anything other than food. And you have to visit your dentist regularly. And yes, tell me. Alfia, what is it? I cannot see. Alfia, you want to say anything? I cannot seem to hear you. Anyone want to say anything? Okay, so you have to do these things to keep your teeth healthy. Yes, Shouris, you raised your hand. What is it? Everyone,
Your voice is cracking.
my voice is cracking. Okay.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay,
No,
so
ma'am.
maybe Shaurik, your network is having some problem for the moment. So
Ma'am, your voice is clear.
my voice is
Clear.
clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so whoever having problems with my voice or listening, so maybe their network is having any problem, they are having any network issue, it will be solved automatically, I think. So don't worry. If you did not listen anything or could not listen anything, just ask me. I will repeat once again, because I am repeating actually what we learned yesterday. So I will repeat again. Just ask me if you don't understand. No? Okay. So you should do that about your, I was telling you that how to take care of your teeth, because that is very important. And there are 4, 5, 6 points here in your book on page 18 to 19. And you have to do that to keep your teeth healthy. Then the tongue. Tongue is also very important. It's a muscular flap in your mouth, and it other than tasting, it has taste buds in on the upper side of it, and you can taste what kind of food you are having. Is it sweet or salt or spicy, anything. So other than detecting the food, it helps us with speaking. When you speak, you use your tongue. So that is another work of it. And it's also pushes the food down so that you swallow the food. Then esophagus, when the esophagus, when the food is chewed, the tongue helps it pushing it to the pharynx. From pharynx, the food passes to a long tubular esophagus. So esophagus is the food pipe that runs along the neck and chest, that connects your mouth to your stomach. The long food pipe you feel, that is your esophagus. So how does it do that? Pushes your food down. They have some muscular wall in the food pipe, and the muscular walls contract rhythmically, so that the food pushes down and ultimately reaches the stomach. So now that is your stomach, which is a J-shaped bag like structure, and it is made of muscles. It produces gastric juice, which is the component of which is hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid kills any microorganism present in your food, and it provides an acidic medium. For acidic medium, the food gets very digested quickly. In acidic medium, the food gets digested easily. So then the food goes into our small intestine. There are other digestive juices. Some are secreted by the cells of small intestine itself. Others come from the liver, which is the largest gland of the body. So you can have the question, which gland is the largest in our body? So you need to know that you will have to answer that it's liver. And the pancreas also helps in digestion, that is located just below the stomach. And the liver secretes bile juice and is stored in gallbladder. So that is,
Ma'am,
yes, Alfia.
ma'am, I was disconnected from the meeting. What you say, I cannot listen.
Okay, I was telling how far did you listen?
Mm,
How far did you listen? Did I tell you about the teeth? Did you listen about till the teeth or tongue?
Ma'am, about teeth, I have listened.
Okay, then we learned about tongue and the esophagus, that is the food pipe. I was telling that tongue have other work other than the pushing our food down. It also helps to taste what food you are having, and then it also helps us to speak. That is a very much important thing, because you can communicate by speaking. And then the esophagus comes. Esophagus is the food pipe you have, which connects from your mouth from mouth to the stomach. So that is your food pipe, that is your esophagus. And then your stomach comes. Stomach is the muscular structure. It contains hydrochloric acid. It produces hydrochloric acid, that is that helps in digestion of the food you chewed and pushed down through your food pipe. Then there in stomach there are other then the food comes to the small intestine, and there are other juices, other digestive juices are also mixed with the food for helps in digestion. There are some juices from the small intestine. There are bile juices from the liver, and which is temporarily stored in gallbladder. What the bile juice do, that they break the fatty acid into tiny droplets. So mainly,
Ma'am.
yes.
Ma'am, what is pancreatic juice?
There is an organ in your body that is called pancreas. Okay, so that is located below the stomach. So the juice it produces, that is your pancreatic juice. Okay, it helps in digestion. It is very important. So how many there is a series of juices that produces your body produces for your digestion. First, there is saliva, that is mixed that is with different kind of juice, and enzymes like amylase. Amylase is used for breaking the starch, the carbohydrate you eat, like potato, like rice. These are mainly carbohydrate food. So the amylase, it helps breaking that food. Then when your food, half chewed food comes into the stomach or intestine, their bile juice is produced, and bile juice helps in digestion of fatty acid. So the fat you take, like some oil or oil mixed in food and other things, that is fat. Some like ghee, what is it called, butter. Okay, fatty components of your food is mainly broken down by bile juice. Okay, it's broken down in fatty acid and glycerol. There are two compounds.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Now, what is amino acid?
Amino acid is something that makes up the protein molecules. Okay, when you will get older and you'll study protein structures. Okay, suppose you are eating meat, that's a high protein, right? So when you study what is protein, and you study the protein structure, you will see that protein is made up of amino acid. There are 21 amino acids that is necessary for our body. So these amino acids, you will learn about that later. So there are 21 amino acids that is created that is some are created in our body and some we take from other things. So that that makes up the whole protein thing, protein molecules. Okay. So pancreas secretes the pancreatic juice that changes starch into simple sugars and proteins into simpler compounds called amino acids. So what the juices, what are the functions of the juices? They breaks down the food. They breaks down the food into smaller particles or smaller components that helps, that is used in our body directly. So I think the class will be with this, that is mainly the previous learning that we did yesterday, and not we did not do anything new today. Maybe we can finish the chapter later. So anyone is having any question till that?
Ma'am,
Tomac, yes.
ma'am, you will upload the all question answer in the app on Monday though?
For which chapter? Chapter 1 or 2?
Chapter 1.
Yes, yes, I will send everything. But you will submit your homework.
Ma'am, but
tomorrow.
before that we have to send tomorrow to the homework.
Yes, you have to submit your homework tomorrow. You do that, I will correct that, and I will upload the whole thing. Okay.